Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. I love to play with burger recipes. In fact, on Chow Time we've had quite a few of them. We've had Le French hamburger. We've had the Edinburgh from Scotland. I've had bison and portobello burgers. I've had Utah lamb burgers. So I really wanted to come up with a brand new one, and so I hope you like this Italian version. I'm just going to make 2 burgers tonight. So I'm going to start with about a half a cup of seasoned breadcrumbs, but they're not seasoned enough for me. So I'm going to jazz it up a little bit with, I'm going to add another half teaspoon of oregano, quarter of a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And we'll mix all that up. And then we'll head over to the stove. I'm heating up 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, because that's what we're going to fry these burgers in. I also beat up 1 egg. So I'm going to take these half-pound burgers, dip them in egg, and then in the breadcrumb mixture. I kind of wanted to make them flat, and you always depress the middle a little bit so they don't fluff up and look more like meatballs. So I got 1 down. There's number 2. I want to fry these on a medium flame, not too high, because by the time they get browned on the outside, I want them to be done perfectly on the inside. Okay, that's been about 6 or 7 minutes, and you can tell they're ready for flipping when along the edges it's starting to look brown. Oh yeah. And again, you want to keep your heat on medium to medium low. We're going to let those cook another 5 to 10 minutes, then they'll be done. Now for the finishing touches. Instead of ketchup, we're going to do sun-dried tomato pesto. All over the top. Couple of teaspoons worth. Then we're going to do provolone cheese. I have 2 thin slices on each one. I want to cover that and just until the cheese melts, just a few minutes. Okay. Perfect. And of course, you have to serve it on ciabatta bread. I cut up a loaf, but you can also buy ciabatta rolls some places. Oh boy. It's one beautiful looking burger. Smash it down a little bit. Nice glass of Chianti. This works. And the sun-dried tomato pesto, much better than ketchup.